In this video, I will share with you top 5 best blenders in 2024. The humble blender. From morning smoothies to creamy nut butters, this mighty kitchen appliance can whip up culinary magic and rescue overripe bananas. But with so many options swirling around, choosing the right one can be a dizzying experience. Fear not, blending enthusiasts. I've embarked on a whirlwind research and testing crusade to bring you the creme de la creme of blenders in 2024. Buckle up for a deep dive into the top 5 contenders. Number 1. Cuisinart Hurricane CBT1500P1. This icy storm packs a punch, boasting a 1500-watt motor that pulverized frozen fruit like a boss. My morning mango madness went from chunky to velvety in seconds. The intuitive dial and pre-programmed settings, including smoothie, ice crush, and chop, make it a breeze for beginners. However, the plastic jar feels less luxurious compared to its rivals, and the noise level might startle your neighborhood squirrel. Number 2. Vitamix Ascent A3500. Brace yourself for blender royalty. This beast houses a 2,240-watt motor that liquefies anything in its path, from kale stems to frozen peanut butter. My spinach-infused green smoothie went from rough draft to silky masterpiece in under a minute. The self-cleaning feature is a dream come true, and the sleek digital interface adds a touch of futuristic flair. But be prepared for a hefty price tag and a countertop footprint that rivals a small nation. Number 3. Breville BBL 920 Super Q. This Australian-born beauty strikes a sweet balance between power and precision. Its 1800-watt motor tackles tough ingredients with ease, while the 12 variable speed settings offer ultimate control. I particularly love the soup setting, which transformed roasted carrots and ginger into a velvety delight. The intuitive dial and LCD display make it user-friendly, while the thermal control jug ensures hot blends stay steamy. However, the large size and weight may not suit smaller kitchens. Number 4. Aid K400. This classic contender oozes old-school charm with its sleek retro design. Don't let its demure looks fool you, though. Its 1.5 horsepower motor handles smoothies and dips with aplomb. The variable speed knob and pulse function offer easy control, while the self-cleaning cycle takes the post-blending blues away. While not as powerful as some of its competitors, the K400 shines in terms of versatility, offering optional attachments for juicing and grinding. Plus, it comes in a kaleidoscope of colors to match your kitchen personality. Number 5. Clean Blend Classic. This underdog packs a surprising punch. Its 1800-watt motor and 4-blade system pulverized frozen fruit and nuts with impressive efficiency. The BPA-free self-cleaning carafe is a win for health and convenience, while the lifetime warranty offers peace of mind. However, the lack of pre-programmed settings and a slightly clunky design might deter tech-savvy users. So who takes the crown? That, my friends, depends on your blending needs and budget. The Cuisinart Hurricane is a powerful and affordable pick, while the Vitamix Ascent A3500 is the undisputed king of culinary pulverization, with a price tag to match. The Breville Super Q and KitchenAid K400 offer a sweet spot of power, versatility, and style, while the Clean Blend Classic proves that good things come in affordable packages. Ultimately, the best blender is the one that sparks joy in your kitchen. So, grab your favorite fruits, veggies, and nuts, and get ready to blend your way to culinary bliss. Bonus tip: consider your countertop space and noise tolerance before making your choice. Happy blending!